In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on General Management. Select Gboard Settings and click on Text Correction. Lastly, use this gray sweater next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it and go back to your keyboard. As you can see, after that, Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!